Indian Pakora, crispy and delicious. These deep-fried treats will make your mouth water. We're going to share our cauliflower, broccoli, and spinach pakora recipe. So if you haven't subscribed, hit that button now. Hey everyone, welcome back to Enjoy the Veggie. Today we're going to do some Indian Pakora. And I'm wearing my dhoti today in remembrance of Swami, who taught me how to make this incredible recipe. I was taught this recipe by my friend Swami. And he would always make these delicious curries and introduce these exotic South Indian flavors to us. His food was so amazing, and he showed me how to make this pakora recipe. So let's get started. Today we're going to make a broccoli, cauliflower, and spinach pakora. Pakora is a deep-fried treat that is very similar to a fritter. They're crispy and delicious, and you can't eat just one. Here's some of the ingredients you're going to need. First of all, you're going to need the chickpea flour or the besan flour, and you can find this at your local Indian grocery. You also need some lemon juice, cilantro, baking powder, salt, garlic, curry powder, and cumin seed. First, we start by chopping our cauliflower and broccoli into thumb-sized pieces. We like to use the stalk of the broccoli as well. Just shave off the hard layer and cut into sections. Chop the spinach into small pieces as well. For the batter, I start with 1 1/2 cups of chickpea flour. I add salt and curry powder, cumin seed, lemon juice, water, and begin mixing. Keep adding water until you have the right consistency. The thinner, the better. Then I add more salt, curry powder, cumin seed, and the chopped garlic. Your batter should have a good taste. If your batter doesn't taste good, your pakora won't taste good. After it's mixed well and flavor is right, mix in the cilantro and onion. The very last thing added is the baking powder to make the insides light and fluffy. We use a wok and we use coconut oil because it has a very high burn rate. Make sure the oil is pretty hot, between 300 and 375 degrees. If the oil is not hot enough, the pakora won't fully cook. We start with the spinach by submerging the cut leaves in the batter and placing them into the wok. I was able to cook 3 or 4 at once. Let them cook until they are fully brown, about 5 to 10 minutes. I like to cook until golden brown and make sure they are fully cooked on the inside. Make sure you shake off the excess oil. If your oil is not hot enough, it can take longer to cook. Then we fry the broccoli, filling the wok with as many as we can. It's important to flip them so they cook evenly on both sides. Fry until golden brown. Do the same for the cauliflower until golden brown. Let them cool, and then you're ready to eat your delicious pakora. They can be eaten as an appetizer or a side dish. You can also use different dipping sauces, like a creamy cilantro sauce. But I like to just eat them as they are, because they have so much flavor. Hey, thanks for watching our pakora recipe tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about all our new creations. Enjoy the veggie, and more importantly, enjoy the life.